Hi guys, I'm at Red's Pond and I'm feeding the ducks. Oops, they currently got scared. But something that's fun to do is to look at the types of ducks. I'm going to switch it around if I can right now. Maybe not, but I'll switch the camera around and see what types of ducks or birds that are at the pond. Lots and lots of birds come here when they see some food, and it's beautiful out. You could see what type of ducks they are, if they're a male, if they're a female. I see some other types of birds, and maybe you might even see a reptile that has come out of hibernation. Or boats, as you see boats. Lots of things to look at. So let's see, they're going over here because now I'm out of food. But I just wanted to say hi and just give you something else to do outside in the fresh air that you can do with your family. And it's something that you can look up nature, different things in nature facts, what types of trees are here. I know they're still a little bare, but they're starting to get their buds and all of that. So hi friends, and I miss you, and I'll see you soon.